back on another episode of Lecheng Pag-ibig To. Don't forget to click the follow button on Spotify so you are always updated with our latest episodes.
Oh, yes.
And we had a great couple of past episodes. Ganda nung quiet quitting in boundaries.
True.
That episode was great. And me and my wife were talking about this topic, which it just came across kasi we had dinner with some friends. No? And lagi na bring up
usapan nyo sa dinner,
malalim ko mag-uusap eh.
Kami puro kalokohan lang, ibang klase yung usapan nyo sa dinner.
Malalim ko mag-dinner eh. Kasi, di ba, laging, there's that concept of the totga.
The one that
got away. Mm-hmm. Some people have it, some people don't. Di ba? But, question, can somebody love you and not choose you?
Yes. Yes po, Your Honor.
Diba?
Wow! Oo naman.
Pwede,
lalo na, halimbawa, example, right love at the wrong time.
Yun nga eh. But
diba? Pwede mga ganun.
Is it also right love if it's at the wrong time?
There are right love at the wrong time. May mga ganun talaga. Nangyayari talaga yon. But love for me kasi is a decision.
Mm-hmm.
So, being with someone is a decision.
That's true.
And the fact na hindi mo pinili yung love na yon, it's either, nasa yun na yon, habang buhay mong dala yun,
pero love mo yung tao.
Pero pwede yun no? Nangyayari yung ganun. Yung love mo pa, pero hindi na talaga pwede maging, at mas masakit yun hindi pwedeng maging kayo.
Ito yung bakit ngayon ka lang na kanta.
Hindi, yung bakit ngayon ka lang, mas nakakakabit yun eh. Hashtag
kabit
song for me.
Sorry
Sorry, kabit song yun for me.
Well,
Lega tayo sa mga kabit, ha? Ayaw natin ng mga kabit. Ano yung issue nung kay yung si Meiko? Kilala mo ba si Meiko? Hindi niya kilala. Ano kayo ni Jasper? Hindi ko kilala si Meiko.
Hindi.
Gagi, search mo mamaya sa
Ano yan?
Sa TikTok.
Wait. Ito ba yung girl?
Ito yung niloko. Yeah. Tapos yung asawa niya na nagbabayad.
Ay, nakita ko yung pinanood sa akin ni Esa. Ano nangyari doon?
So, Patrick yata is the name of the guy. And then nagloko. And then yung lalaki nagbabayad ng escort. Something like that.
Okay.
And then ilang beses na siya niloloko. And finally, ito na yung sign na inaantay ni ate to finally let go of the relationship. So, at sumagot kahapon lang yata sumagot yung inaakusahan.
Yung girl?
Parang sinasabi niya doon, yes, bayaran ako, inamin niya. Pero hindi lang naman daw siya yung babae. Ang pogi ng lalaki, di ba?
Ay, ito yung medyo, nakita namin.
Di ba? Ang pogi. Pogi mo sa part na yun. But anyway, balik tayo dito sa iba to. Ito yung mga tipo na ayoko mangyari sa akin. Kasi parang feeling ko habang buhay ko siyang what if and then habang buhay ko siyang dadalhin.
Would it be counted as a what if?
Oo.
Parang I love you pero I can't be with you right now.
Ganon? Before, syempre bago dumating yung mga asawa natin.
Parang wala.
And then gaano katagal bago mo nasabi sa sarili mo na hindi, okay na to.
Meron
ito yung love na hindi talaga pwedeng pwede umusbong.
Hindi, marami kasi nangyari sa akin na parang I thought that was it.
You thought it's love?
Oo. No, it was love, of course. I thought na parang siya na. Kasi I think naman when we get into a relationship, we
always hope
you hope for the best. Na parang, okay, sana ito na. I don't think I ever went through an era na I'd get into a relationship.
Wow.
Na pang-enjoy lang.
That's some YG right there,
hindi, kasi
guys.
kung mag-fling lang tayo.
Pero kasi for you, if it's a relationship talaga.
Parang I'm gonna, there's love there. I'm gonna choose you.
Okay.
Diba? When you get into a relationship, it's not just choosing the person, it's choosing the commitment. And you choose that every day. Yeah. Whether there are days that you're not gonna like the person, there are days where inis ka sa tao, pagkagising pa lang, naiinis ka na sa kanya, o meron nag-away kayo about something, you guys don't understand each other, but you still choose your relationship, your commitment over anything else.
That's commitment.
I think that's the hard part.
Yeah.
That's the hard part. When it's yung good times,
and
madali.
That's marriage.
Yung good times, madali.
Yan yun. Kasal yan. Yung sinasabi mo.
Yung good times, madali yan kasi enjoy kayo eh. Pag nagkaipitan, when times are rough, when times are hard, that's when it gets tricky. Kasi dun yung parang you still have to see the good in the person kahit na hindi kayo okay.
Or siguro ang example niya, I love you but I can't choose you. Halimbawa, mag-asawa, and then separated na naghiwalay, pero hindi na nag-asawa ulit. May mga kakilala akong
meron naman.
may mga kakilala akong hindi na sila nag-asawa ulit. Kasi they still feel something for each other. Yung love nandun pa rin. Pero they can't be together.
Parang clashing lang talaga sila.
When they're together, nagka-clash sumasabog. Pero alam nila deep inside, mahal na mahal nila yung isa't isa. Ano bang mas okay, yung nagstay na lang kayo? Diba? Lalo pa if kasal, lalo may mga anak.
That's a good question now. Kasi,
or hindi na, I love you but I will not choose you because this is what's best for us.
So you're choosing what's best for you guys. It's also good discussion kasi diba this whole divorce bill has been going on and off here sa Philippines.
Hindi mapasa-pasa.
Hindi mapasa-pasa. It's always a tricky situation. I kind of see both sides. To be honest, I am still trying to think where I stand. Trying to find where I stand with it. Kind of leaning towards sana mapasa yung divorce
But at the same
bill.
time?
At the same time, I see how it's been being abused.
Yun nga eh.
Yun lang yung fear ko. If there's parang, let's say, I know so many, even celeb couples in the States, papakasal isang linggo, isang buwan. Pack up na, ayoko na eh. It's so easy to say, pack up. We don't need to try harder. Kasi may divorce naman eh. Ba't pa natin papahirapan sarili natin? But also, I have seen people na nakaawa rin. Kasi parang,
hindi na makaalis, ano?
Hindi na makaalis. And everybody deserves to be happy.
Again.
To
love again.
Love, be happy again. Pero because of this, bawal magka-divorce, wala eh.
Or pwede, kung may pang-annulment ka, which is very expensive. And it's a long process na kailangan mong pagdaanan. Yung sinasabi mo kung minsan parang hindi mo sure kung pro ba ako or anti-divorce ako. Just recently parang I saw
Ikaw, where do you stand with the
I'm
whole...
pro-divorce. Pero pag nakakakita ako ng mga lalaking naglolo ko, tapos alam mo yung ayaw nung wife nila to be separated by them. Kasi parang gusto nila, nagloko ka. Hindi, habang buhay tayong mag-asawa para di kayo masaya ng kabit mo.
Yun yung naging parang revenge
yung revenge nila. So parang
gets,
sa akin, kasi lahat ng rights nasa iyo.
Correct.
I'm
the legal wife. Ayan, boom.
Kung maraming pera yung lalaki, papi. Kung ako yung asawa, babaero ka, hindi ko hahayaang mag-divorce tayong dalawa or dumaan tayo sa annulment. Doon lang ako.
Kahit na, let's say, kalahati sa'yo.
Kasi para sa akin, yung mga anak ko iisipin ko, kahit gaano mo na ako kahit gaano mo ako niloloko, hindi, stay tayo forever, kasal tayo. Akin ang yaman mo pag namatay ka. Tama, mali.
Wow,
parang,
perspective.
That's me, kapag I am pro-divorce, pero pag nakakabasa ako ng mga ganong klase na yung wife kinawawa talaga tas sobrang babaero ng lalaki and then hindi pumapayag ang magfa-file pa halimbawa yung guy for an annulment kaya lumalaban yung ibang wifey ay dahil hindi masaya kayo ng kabit mo hindi sa akin ang yaman mo pag natigibang ka
okay gets I
right?
see that
so medyo may pa rin may edge pa rin yung mga tao dito na gustong bigyan ng revenge yung mga nagloko nilang asawa.
Okay, going back. I
love you.
Can you love someone but not choose them?
Yes, definitely.
I think so also, and I'm gonna tawag dito, bring it closer to a topic where you can't be together at that point kasi let's say it could be a career choice. Diba?
Or long distance,
diba? That you have to prioritize something else first pero love mo yung tao.
Ano ba yung bagay na kaya mo talagang talikuran yung magandang relationship? Ano yun? Trabaho? Really?
Yun lang naman lagi nagbabattle more or less, diba?
Iniisip ko minsan sometimes people use that as an excuse. Pero baka ayaw lang talaga nila yung relationship. Alam mo yun? Minsan iniisip ko yun eh. If you find someone or found a love na sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam,
ilalaban mo.
Ano yung willing kang i-risk mo for something na alam mong talaga
kasi
ba?
Kasi naman love is a risk eh.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, you give up a lot of things to be with this person.
True. Or sacrifice things.
To spend or to invest in this relationship. But even the relationship will not have a guarantee.
Agree.
Kasi some people, like I said, it takes a lot of work. But some people give up halfway. They get tired of working on the relationship.
Papagod sila.
Oh, and people change eh. Let's say, how you knew Mike before is probably a different Mike now.
Or everyday, meron kang bago nalalaman sa kanya.
True.
Mas applicable para sa mga taong kasal na or nasa mahabang relationship yung, alam mo, everyday I don't love you but I still choose you. There are moments I am like that. I have to be honest.
Pero you're choosing the person kasi you love them.
Yes, yun na nga eh. But there are
so, hindi
days
siya pwede
that you
separate.
don't. No, but there are days you don't love the person. Yun talagang gusto mong, may mga ganun ako.
Talaga ba? Buti wala si Esa dito.
May mga ganun. Oy, magpakatotoo kayo, yung mga kasal na.
Hindi kita love
hindi
today.
araw-araw mahal natin yung mga jowa at asawa natin.
Hindi naman sa hindi mahal. Baka meron lang mga araw
may pinagawayan.
Na bad trip lang ako sa'yo.
Yun nga. Pero,
parang ayaw lang kita makita.
Yung
pero deep
mga
inside,
araw na parang feeling mo hindi mo na love. May ganon. Lalo na yung sobra yung away. Di ba? Tapos kinabukasan parang okay na naman kayo. Okay na naman kami. Push.
Oh, sakit sa ulo.
Komplikado talaga.
Pero I think...
Wala kang ganon, papi? Wala kang ganon. Baka si Esa ang may ganon. I want to guess Esa on the show.
We have a lot of those. Pero I'm just
wala kayong layas moments. Yung
meron din. No.
Hindi na like layas moments. Kunyari yung magbabalot ka. Di ka mo may gano'n. When was the last time?
Hindi na tuloy.
Kailan to? Alam mo ugali ng mga lalaki. Lalaki kasi unang nagbabalot eh. Lalaki ba? Wait lang. Lalaki kasi unang nagbabalot. Alam niyo ugali ng mga lalaki. Ewan kayo mga nakikinig sa ating mga babae. Ugali niyan pag nag-away. Siyempre, mas hindi sila confrontational, diba? So, ang gagawin nila...
Kasi yung confrontation, Diyos ko, maabot ng ilang oras.
Kaya nga confrontation. Hindi tayo titigil hanggat di natin naayos to.
Nakakapagod.
Pero pag hindi natin inupuan, hindi matatapos, diba? So sila, ewan natin bakit parang pagod na pagod sila pag confrontation. So, ang ugali ng mga yan, ganito gagawin yan pagka mga layas moments. May mga times magbabalot ng gamit. Tapos talagang papakita sa'yo, nagbabalot ng gamit. Si Mike gagawin, patutunogin pa yung motor niya. Kasi he's expecting na, pipigilan
siyempre,
hindi ko pinipigilan.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Bilang ng mga 2 oras, nagre-ref pa rin siya ng motor. After 2 hours, aakyat. Tapos parang magigising na lang ako, nandun siya. But there was one time,
umexit? Oh, shit!
Wala kayong ganon? Umexit talaga.
Hindi. Meron akong muntik na umexit.
Ito, umexit. Nag-1 day sa nanay. Tapos, naloloka yung kasambahay. Kasi
alam
parang,
ko my mom and dad used to have
pag tumagal kayo, ilang years ulit kayong kasal?
Kami 3.
Okay. Wait for the 6 or 7 years. So may moments na talagang aalis ng bahay. And then, yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo ng mga days na...
So you don't... But you still...
Yung parang... Hindi na talaga. Wala na to. Maghihiwalay na kami nito. Yung may mga ganong ka. Tapos biglang bati na naman kayo. Parang walang nangyari. Mabubura. Pero, di ba?
Dynamic yun di ba? It's dynamics na
marriage.
I don't
want us to be like that. Siguro sa tagal namin ni Mike, mga twice lang naman niya ginawa yung umalis talaga siya ng bahay.
Umexit talaga. Yung
tapos hindi kasi ako, hindi ako tipo ng taong manunuyo. Alam niya yon. So uuwi. So anong ginawa mo nung nandun ka sa nanay mo? Tinitignan ko yung CCTV, tapos nakikita ko kayo ng mga bata, naglalaro kayo.
Siyempre nakakahiya na pumunta ka sa nanay mo. Siyempre tatanong din niya, so, bakit ka nandito? Ano na niya? Tapos ayaw mo naman ikwento. Kasi siyempre, pag ikwento mo, de-defend mo yung sarili mo.
Ganyan.
Di ba parang, you're here.
Yan na yan ang kwento ni Mike. Nandun daw siya sa kwarto, pumasok yung nanay niya. Kunwari nag-aayos.
Hindi.
Nag-aayos. Nakano ba talaga nangyari? But lalaki are not makwento.
Yun nga.
Diba? Hindi kayo makwento. Unlike kung sa amin sa babae, madali for us i-chike. Yan yung mga days na sinasabi kong, I do not love you today, but I still choose you. Yon ang commitment.
That is
so
commitment.
Feeling ko yung mga tao na, I love you, but I don't choose you, hindi nila pinili yung commitment dun sa tao.
Yes. Okay. So right? I think we can come to that agreement na you can love someone but
commit.
not choose them kasi you're probably not ready to pero hindi rin.
Pwede ready ka for a commitment eh.
Oo. Pero it could be
it could be work, it could be hindi talaga kayo okay magkasama. Or, di ba may mga ganun tao yung
tama,
you
right?
bring out the worst in each other.
Right love, wrong time. Then it's also not the right
mas nakakalungkot yun. Mas nakakalungkot yun for me.
Diba? You meet your soulmate, pero...
Or pwedeng pareho na kayong kasal, no? Pero pinigilan nyo yung sarili nyong kabitin yung isa't isa.
Correct.
Yung mga pang teleserye. Pero you know,
pero
it's
yung tension tsaka yung spark, grabe
how can it be the right love kung pareho kayo may asawa? Minsan mapaisip ka ng gano'n.
Kaya nga, we always debate about that eh. Meron ba talagang right love, wrong time? Kasi kung wrong time, that means it wasn't also the right love.
But sometimes you'd feel it.
Or wrong love, right time. Mas delikado yun. Yun yung kabitan. Diba? Wrong love. Pero right time.
Ginugulo mo yung utak ko, papi.
Kasi kung right love, right time. So right love.
Pero hindi lahat ng right love, right time. Sure ako doon.
Yeah, tama. I think it's safe to say that. Kasi yun nga, minsan, you're just not ready. Or when you're ready, the other person is not ready.
Hindi kayo magka-perfect timing sa isa't isa.
And then, one person ends up getting married, the other person ends up being single, tapos let's say may nangyari, ikaw naman yung single, siya naman yung hindi. Or nasa ibang bansa, tapos kung kailangan bumalik na Manila, siya naman wala. So, hindi mo na alam gagawin. Tapos, it's also tricky to wait kasi you don't know if you're waiting for something.
Pero yung iba willing to wait.
Yung iba willing to wait. Pero
hanggang sa, di ba, wala nang nangyari sa buhay nila, nag-antay na lang sila.
Correct.
How long dapat maghintay yung tao dun sa right love nila? Kasi if you're in that position, if you're in that position na pinag-aantay ka, wait lang you feel na right love ko to.
Kung pinaghintay ka.
Wait lang, ano to? Parang,
ako kasi, if wala ka talagang balak with that person, I don't think I think it's unfair to make the person wait.
But there are people who are like that.
People would wait on their own. Pero kasi kung pinahintay mo yung tao,
they're unsure.
Make sure na may babalik ka. Kasi wawa naman yung tao. Unless wala ka talagang pakialam.
Oo.
Diba?
Pag sobrang sabog ka sa diba, sa love life, hindi mo naman may isip yun na pinaghihintay ka.
Eto, yung mga nagsasabing, I just need to fix myself first.
Ayan yung nakaka-bad trip. Pinaka nakaka-bad trip sa akin lahat yan.
Tapos bigla habang, I need to find myself. Tapos nung hinahanap na yung sarili nila, may ibang nahanap.
Yun na nga.
Diba?
Yun na nga.
I just need to fix myself. I need to find myself.
Yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo kanina. Yung mga gumagamit ng linya, halimbawa na, hindi, focus muna ako sa pag-aaral or halimbawa, focus ako sa work. Talaga ba? Or ginagamit nyo lang yan? Yung reason na yan dahil ayaw nyo na dun sa tao?
Pwede. We'd never know kasi ikaw lang talaga may alam niyan eh. Or let's say, an addict or something. Diba? Na gusto niya ayusin sarili niya.
Oh, yeah.
Before getting into a relationship. Kasi alam niyang if he does not fix that problem first, sira rin yung relationship.
May kilala akong ganyan.
Diba?
Nasa showbiz. Yung karelasyon niya, addict.
Oh.
So, alam niyang right love.
So
girl tong kakilala ko. Yung addict yung guy.
Oh, willing to wait.
No.
Nilet go niya.
Sabi ko, why? If you know it's... Kung alam mo, okay. Ano daw parang pakiramdam niya hindi magbabago tapos tinotolerate ng parents.
Oh.
So, ganun pa rin naman siya hanggang ngayon. Tama naman yung decision ni girl, feeling ko. So yun, yung mga ganung klase. Na sometimes you really have to choose yourself kasi if you choose this guy na sobrang love mo, walang mangyayari. Or, it will be a cycle. Paulit-ulit na gagawin. Sasabihin magbabago.
Some people change. Some people are just...
Diba, hindi lang pang-addict to. Halimbawa kung ano man yung reason.
Gambling,
magbabago
addict,
na ako, mambababae. Pwedeng ganun And you're still there. You're stuck there dahil you're hoping for things to get better. Kung tayo, tinatanong natin last episode, when do you draw the line? Or kailan ka maglalagay ng boundary when it comes to work? Dito sa paghihintay na maging okay siya. If he's fixing or she's fixing himself or herself.
I think everybody deserves a chance na para ayusin sarili nila if that's the situation. No? Pero when do you draw the line? When do you set the boundary?
How would you know? It's time to, hindi na to, wala nang pag-asa to?
I think subjective Kanya-kanya Malalaman mo na parang, okay, I've waited long enough. Nothing's happening. I can't be like this forever. Because we always talk about life's too short. Diba? And everybody deserves to find someone. Everybody deserves to feel loved, to have a happy relationship. To some, it comes sooner. Minsan, it comes at 40, at 50. Some we don't know.
Oh, tama.
Diba? But everybody deserves to be happy.
Amen.
And some people are happy on their own. I'm not just saying it's about relationships. Some people have learned to be happy being single.
Oh my.
Kasi, wala, they're just comfortable. Ayaw na nilang may papasok pa, gugulo pa yung buhay. Okay lang sila being single. And that's fine too. I totally respect that.
Pumapasok din dyan yung I love you but I don't choose you.
Yeah.
Kasi nakita nila, mas okay pa rin sila
Correct.
being single.
So it's
Tama,
okay. I think, so tama. I think, safe to say, you can love someone
but
and
not be with them.
And not choose them or not be with them.
Ang lungkot. Buti na lang ikaw, love mo na, chinus mo pa. Chinus mo pa, be.
Kaya chuchus kayo, ha?
Oo.
Mga...
Ni-love ka na, chinus ka pa.
Diba?
Sana all.
Ano ka naman? Ay, chinus ka, girl.
Iba na naman yan. Papunta na naman sa sand.
Yeah, But thank you for listening. Something to ask yourself or comment sa comment section below. Is it possible to love someone and not choose that
or
person?
may kwento in the comment section. Anong dahilan? Bakit hindi nyo pinili yung taong mahal nyo?
We're all, ganda nun. Mahal mo pero bakit hindi mo siya pinili?
Bakit?
Ano nangyari?
Bakit?
Let us know.
Yes, please.